when SA started talking about Article 59, and then because they cannot justify non-compliance with Article 59, they started talking about yung 9851 na Section 17 yung sa jurisdiction. And they were arguing na hindi, the Filipino can surrender a Filipino citizen to an international organization wherein we are a party, or if that entity can get jurisdiction over the person nung Filipino na yon, yung sinasabi nila. And I find it really ridiculous, no? Kasi 9851 is a law. And in the Philippines, all laws should be in accordance with our constitution. So ngayon, yung constitution natin, na sinasabi dito, no one can be deprived life, liberty, and property without due process of law. If you are going to surrender a person, you have to take the liberty of that person. So what does that mean? Ibig sabihin, kung iti-take mo yung liberty ng tao na yan, there must be a proper arrest. You cannot surrender a person without proper arrest. And parang para sa akin naman, no, parang, Justice Carpio naman eh, ano ba naman yan?